Year 2. I hope you're okay. I was wondering today what you had for breakfast. I had Weetabix with some honey on it. I hope you had something nice. Right, enough talk about food. Let's have a look at some phonics. And we're going to need to get our thinking caps on straight away because I want you to remember what is a suffix and what do we do when we add ing to a word that ends in E. So pause the video and talk to the person you're with. Okay, now let's see if you've got the right ideas. Check if I've done it right. At the bottom, I have got the word racing. Racing. Can you see if I have done it right? Have I added the suffix ing in the right place? And have I remembered what to do to a word ending in E when I add ing? What do you think? Well, let's have a look. I think I've made a mistake. I wonder if you spotted it. I didn't take the E away. That's not right, is it? Because E and ing do not get on, so we can't put them together. So that's how we should write racing. Let's cover up the wrong one. Okay, I would like you to add ing to these words. Have a go on your whiteboard or maybe on a piece of paper. This is what they say: wave, improve, shove, and cycle. Pause the video and add ing to those words. Now I want you to check if what you've written is correct. So you should have crossed off the E for each of those words and added ing. So you should have waving, improving, shoving, and cycling. Now we're going to think about our second rule for adding ing today, and we need to remember our vowels for this part. Can you call them out to me? Okay, let's see. They are A, E, I, O, and U. We can say them on our fingers, can't we? If we want to add ing, we also need to look for the vowels. And I've got some words underneath, and I've highlighted the vowels in black. Now this is the same as what we did when we added the suffix ed. So you might be familiar with this already. Okay, let's have a go. If we've got a vowel just before the last letter, we're going to double that last letter before we add ing. So I'm going to show you two. At the bottom, I've got the word knit, and that's going to become knitting. And then I've got the word shop, and that's going to become shopping. Could you have a go at the other two words? Grab and skip. Pause the video and have a go. Right, let's see if what you have written matches me. Have you written grabbing? It's got two B's. Have a look. And have you written skipping? And it's got two P's. So because we had the vowel just before the last letter, we've doubled that last letter before adding ing. So now we know two rules for adding ing. Let's go on to the activity I'd like you to do today. So what I would like you to do is I would like you to look at the words that are at the bottom of the page. I'd like you to add ing to those words, and then I want you to sort them into two groups. I'm not going to tell you how to sort them. I want you to have a think. But at the bottom in blue, I'm going to tell you that I've given you an extra word. It doesn't fit with those two groups. So I want you to look out for it and then keep that word underneath the circles. Okay? Pause the video and get sorting. Well, I hope you enjoyed doing that. I want to show you now what I'm hoping you've done. So you should have got these words set in 2 groups. Now, it doesn't matter if you've got them on the opposite side to me, that's absolutely fine. But in one circle, you should have gliding, sliding, choosing, and arguing. They all have something in common. You had to take the E off before adding ing. In the other circle, we had some different words that didn't end in E. We had sitting, clapping, shutting, and hopping. And all of those words had a vowel just before the last letter, so we needed to double that last letter before adding ing. Did you spot the odd one out as well? Underneath, I'd put the word catching. That's because it didn't end in E and I didn't have to double the last letter. Tomorrow, we're going to think about the rule that includes that word. So, I hope you've got on well with those 2 rules today, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. See you later. Bye.